Hey, this is Jack here, eXpo Realty. Today I'm here in Largo, Florida. You know, when people ask me to find something close to the beach, under 500, and they want low maintenance fees, these always come to mind. D.R. Horton is a wonderful builder. They've done a lot of things here in the area. I like them because they're cinder block on both the top and the bottom. They got pretty good finishes. Their kitchen designs are good. And they're economical, especially here in Pinellas County. So I was hoping to show you another one this morning and enjoy the tour. 3, 2, 1. So here I am inside a D.R. Horton home, and this is the kitchen area. I'm going to turn the camera around now so you can take a whole look around. This is an end unit, so we've got windows on the side here. Not available on the inside ones, but the corner units, always recommend. So let me turn the camera around and, all right, so I like this location. It's over here next to the Heritage Village and a giant garden area and Walsingham Park. So D.R. Hortons usually come with this island in the middle. Now this has tile. Most of the units will come with vinyl flooring. We got pantries underneath, stairs. Now, this door would normally go to the garage. So this is the size of the garage. And then down here by the front door, don't get dizzy, we've got the half bath. And then upstairs, got the upstairs laundry, top of the stairs, little landing here for desk. This is the front bedroom with a Jack and Jill, bath, a second bedroom, and then the master is back here. And you can tell it's, it's not tile, but it gets you into someplace for less than 500,000. It's brand new. So particulars on this are the end units are going for about $450,000. They're about 1,700 square feet. They come with 1-car garage, vinyl flooring in most of them. Not a whole lot of upgrades you can do, but for the price point in Pinellas County, we'll be close to the beach. I would definitely take a look at these.